Today, I'm going to teach you how to cross-post channel conversations in Microsoft Teams. This is incredibly useful when you need to share the same announcement or update across multiple channels without having to type it out separately each time, saving you effort and ensuring consistency across your team communications. First, open your Microsoft Teams application and log into your account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your organization's workspace. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main Teams interface with various options on the left side of your screen. On the left sidebar, click on Teams. This will bring up all the teams you're a part of and their associated channels. From here, you can navigate to the specific team and channel where you want to start your cross-post. Now, click on a channel where you'd like to create your post. This will be your primary channel, the one where you'll compose the message before sharing it to other channels. The channel feed will open up, showing you the conversation history. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a text box. Click on Post in Channel to begin composing your message. This opens up the composition area where you can type and format your content. Next, let's click on the announcement icon. This allows you to create a more structured and eye-catching post, perfect for important updates that need to be shared across multiple channels. The announcement format makes your message stand out in the channel feed. Now, type a headline for your announcement. This headline should clearly summarize what your post is about, making it easy for team members to understand the main point at a glance. Keep it concise but informative. On the bottom of the composition area, click the plus icon. This reveals additional posting options. From the menu that appears, click on Post in Other Channel. This is the key feature that allows you to cross-post your content. Then click on Multiple Channels. This option enables you to select more than one channel to share your announcement with simultaneously, which is exactly what we need for cross-posting. On the top of the channel selection window, click the plus icon. This lets you add channels to your cross-posting list. Select another channel where you want this announcement to appear, then click Update. You can repeat this process if you need to add even more channels to your list. Now click Post. This will publish your announcement to all the channels you've selected. Your message will appear in each channel's feed, ensuring that everyone who needs to see it will have access to the same information. And that's it. You've successfully cross-posted your announcement across multiple channels in Microsoft Teams, making sure your important message reaches all the right people without any extra work. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.